Let's make a lazy barbecue chicken dinner. Your hand and peel it. So easy.
It's easy.
All right, I'm putting the chicken in the pan just like that. And I'm gonna do a little bit of Kinder's Prime Steak Seasoning, salt and pepper, and olive oil.
Yeah, definitely. All is so good.
I'm also gonna do some Kinder's barbecue sauce, the honey hot flavor, and a little bit of onion powder.
Oh, commerce.
Okay, we'll do Converse, hold on.
I'm doing it. Commerce. Yo, I want to go make a body. P-G, waga.
Chicken. This is gonna go in a 400-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. The mashed potatoes going. See you later. Oh, is it good? You don't even need to cut yours, you just bit it whole. Cheers.
Have a bite. Now I'm gonna put it into the bowl.
You're making them and Winston's eating them.
Say what? Bye.
In the water. We'll do about that much butter. Garlic, because we like garlic.
It's yummy.
Salt. Dash of heavy whipping cream. A little bit creamier. Buddy, you want to do it?
Yeah. Wow.
About that much. Sissy wants to mix. Winston wants to mix too.
Okay. See how it looks like.
Chicken.
They smell like onions.